Listen, I was just thinking to myself, right? I was just thinking, it's a lot of people out here saying how they want to be an entrepreneur or they are an entrepreneur, but they don't put in the work. Like, it's a huge difference between being an entrepreneur and saying you're an entrepreneur. You know, it's levels to it, and you gotta thoroughly understand an entrepreneur do what it takes for that company to survive, for that company to live. You know, you may change directions of your whole brand just for that company to thrive based on the economic environment. You know, nothing's perfect. Nothing at all is perfect in business. But you gotta be in business. Do business. You gotta do it. Like, it's one thing to say you're an entrepreneur and try to make it sound all glamorous, but it's another thing when you live in it. It's a lifestyle. Entrepreneurship is a lifestyle. It's not no clocking in and clocking out and going home. No, it's a whole lifestyle. So be mindful of the information you take from these internet gurus, the ones who got all these little courses or whatever. Man, be careful what you're paying for out here, and be careful who you listening to. You know, understand how they live their life and what their numbers looking like. You know, because for them to take your money, your hard-earned money, you just shouldn't be giving it away. All right. That's just my little rant.